Okay, so I'm going to listen to ATC for San Bernardino because I want to go land over there. So let's turn the channel to 124.175.
Alright, San Diego Brown VFR 593.
Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, a few clouds at 20,000, temperature 17, dew point -11, altimeter 3012. ILS runway 6 approaching use, landing and departing runway 24. Nose German, taxiway Delta closed. Taxiway Charlie between taxiway Alpha and Echo closed. Taxiway Bravo between taxiway Alpha and Echo closed. All aircraft read back all holster instructions, all assigned altitudes. Advise initial contact. You have information, Mike. San Bernardino Tower, information, Mike 2148 Zulu. Wind calm.
Okay, so they're at information, Mike, over at San Bernardino. Okay, so they're at information, Mike, over at San Bernardino. So when I take off here and before I get to their airspace, I need to call them and let them know I want to come and land. Okay, pattern's clear. Redlands traffic, Cessna 68212, departing runway 26, be a straight out departure, Redlands. So we'll continue to monitor Redlands until I get up in the air here and make sure that there's no conflicting traffic. So there's nobody around, so I'm going to switch the channel to San Bernardino Tower. San Bernardino Tower, Cessna 68212.
Cessna 68212, San Bernardino Tower.
Roger, I'm off Redlands, landing San Bernardino, and I have information, Mike 212.
Cessna 68212, Roger, Mike, report 2 mile left base, runway 24.
Roger, report 2 mile base, runway 24, 212. So their pattern altitude is 2,000. I'm at that now. Reduced power and setup. I'm going to call him right now and tell him that I'm on base. San Bernardino Tower, Cessna 212 on base leg 24.
Cessna 212, wind calm, runway 24, cleared to land.
Cleared to land 24, clearance for the option please.
Cessna 6812, runway 24, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option 24, 212. 24, 212. Okay, so we're on base leg. We're setting up for landing on runway 24, San Bernardino. Let's give it 20 degrees of flaps. This is a huge runway, so we got plenty of room to mess around here. And there's VASI lights ahead. There's 4 lights, which means I'm high. I want 2 red and 2 white on a 4-light VASI. I'll go ahead and give it full flaps. Slow this airplane down. There's our 2 red and 2 white. So we're right on the glide path for this runway. Let's try to keep those 2 red and 2 white. And I still got good airspeed. Looks like I'm still gonna, well, now I got 3 reds, which means I'm sinking a little bit low. But I want to make, I want to clear the threshold here. 3 red, 1 white. Now there's 4 red, so it's telling me low, but I look pretty good for final on this one. Bunch of big old jumbo jets around here. They repair airliners here, Boeing airliners. Alright, we passed the threshold, so we're good to set her down here. Don't want to go too far on this runway, the guy get mad at me. Because I didn't ask him if I could land long. So he expects me to just do a normal landing and not use up the whole runway. Okay, we're down. Our nose went down just right. Came down on the mains good. So we're gonna go ahead and get our airspeed and this thing's gonna take off. And we're gonna set our trim for 75. So pattern altitude here is about 500 feet lower than Redland, so we're gonna go up to 2,000.